Hi everyone, here is Andrea Angella and welcome to the Practical C# video series. Today I'd like to talk about local functions in C#7. Here I have a program that creates a tree of integers and print a representation of the tree using the three different algorithms: the pre-order, in-order, and post-order. The algorithms itself are not so important for the purpose of this video, but let me show you what's the result of the print. The interesting bit is that I'm using a formatter to say how I want to format the values when I do the print. For example, when we print in order, we print without using a formatter. When I print in order, we wrap the values in square brackets, and when we print in post order, I wrap the values using angle brackets. Let me show you how the tree class is being implemented. There is a value, a left and right tree, and then there are three methods: print in pre-order, print in order, and print in post-order. All of them take a format as a string. As you can notice, these three methods delegate to three internals methods that are private, that pretty much implement the classic tree traversal algorithms: the pre-order, in-order, and post-order. And then there is, at the end, the print value method that print the value using a particular format that's been provided. All right, so let's see how we can use local function to make this code more compact. As you can notice, print in order, let's start from print in pre-order. So print in pre-order use this private function, but it's the only function that is actually using this function. What I can do is I can take the entire private function and copy it inside here. We're moving private static. It doesn't make any sense inside a local context. The interesting thing is that, so basically this is a local function because it's a function that's been created in the context of another function that can only be used in this context. However, we can't redefine formats. The interesting bits of local function is that local function capture all the variables of the parent function. So this means that we don't really need to provide formats. We don't really need to pass it. We can just completely remove passing the format around because it's not needed. The local function captures the format variable that is present in the context. And this is quite handy. And we can pretty much do the same operation for all the other functions. Let me try that quickly. So I can copy and paste that in here, remove the private static, remove the format, and there we go. This is done. Then I can do the last one. Copy it in, remove the private static, remove the format. So now we don't have any more private static function hanging around that can be used in the old class, but those functions have been actually embedded inside the other functions, and this looks a lot better because we don't need to repeat all the parameters every time. And this is actually the power of local functions. They can be useful in many situations to define iterators, to implement async methods and error handling in async methods, and in testing, for example, to define helper methods that can only be used inside a particular test method, and so on and so on. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.